I've got here a small flashlight by Olight. I can't remember off the top of my head what the model is, but I'm sure it'll be in the box. Just give me 1 second. Open this. You gotta be kidding me. There we go. Aww. First of all, okay. Look at this cute little box. This, here you go. The i3E EOS mono output keychain LED flashlight. It's a tiny boy. Let's see. Made of durable aircraft grade aluminum with type 3 anodizing. It's not only hard but anti-scratch. It has a transmittance TIR lens which delivers a homogeneous beam. Ultra compact and mighty flashlight developed from an extreme design idea. Interesting. Fully tighten the head to turn flashlight on, slightly loosen the head to turn it off. It's one of those twisties. I was hoping it was going to be a button at the base type deal, but that sadly is not the case. Okay. This, by the way, is the Halloween edition. Okay, let's see here. Read me. Unscrew the light head, remove the insulating film. Yeah, typical. No manual? Clever girl. Let's take a brief look. First of all, so the website claims it's pinky sized. That's I mean, that's like perfect. You know, I couldn't have put it better myself. Okay, warranty card. 2-year warranty. Hey, not bad. Let's see, English. How to operate on-off. Fully tighten the tail cap clockwise. Tail cap? Interesting. Usually it's on the head. Turn the light on. Twist the tail cap clockwise to turn it off. That's all there is to it. Quite simple. Alright, let's get this bad boy going. So, it says, yeah, you gotta take this front part off here, the top part where the LED is, to get to the battery. So, there's the film in there. I don't know if that's even visible on the camera. Okay. Oh, don't roll away. Anyway, dump that out. And that's what it's supposed to look like. We got, okay, let's see here. Nuozing alkaline AAA battery. It takes a AAA. So we'll put that back in there. I don't know if that's visible on camera either, but this bad boy's got 2 O-rings on it for extra water resistance, which I can appreciate. Let's screw this back on. Oh, okay, so tail, what is the term used? Hold on. Tail cap, so that, I thought it was talking about, you know, the back tail, but no, it's the front here. Oh, hold on, I'm turning it the wrong way. So, I don't want to shine it directly into the camera, but like, check that out. That's a pretty good for this such a small light. Let's see here. Does it have the, I'll turn that off. Does it have the lumen rating on here? I think it was on the website. But, oh here, so 90 lumens, 45-minute runtime, 44-meter throw, 500 CD, not sure what that one is. 1.5 meter, and then it's like an arrow bouncing off a thing. Again, not really sure. Dimensions 60.5 by 14 millimeters. Okay, and it's 19.4 grams, including the battery. All right, so yeah, so 90 lumens. That is pretty decent for what is a very small flashlight. Okay, so it's nighttime now. I'm here in the same room, my kind of dining room, living area. And we're gonna make it super dark. And then I'm gonna turn on this bad boy and we're gonna see how well it lights up. That's not bad. You know, for like a tiny little flashlight. You know, you just need to have it like on your keychain or something. It's pretty good. Hello there, Boots. How are you? The lighting is messing with the focus, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm at my local football field here. There's a light shining in the distance. The website and the packaging say that the throw is 44 meters, and the width of a standard American football field is 48.8. Now, the lighting's pretty terrible because it's night, but it's actually shining all the way across the field's width and onto the bleachers over here. And I'm casting a pretty clear shadow. You can't really see it though. So I'm gonna try standing next to it, see if that looks any better. Okay. Not really, but it's you know, as you can see, it's here on the sideline. Scientific proof. So yeah, this is a strong flashlight. For sure.